Morning, gang. Welcome to the Mighty Sutphen. We're here on a beautiful Saturday morning. Tackle a few more jobs. All right, we fixed our marker lights last weekend with some grounding issues, and that's a success. So, all right, let's dive into it. I want to show you what we're going to do today. So, parking brake valve. A little leakage there, so okay, a little update. We got the pin out, handle off, lines disconnected. Okay, we got our valve, all the fittings transferred, and we'll start hooking up black, and the white one on the other side. Here we go. You can tell the difference with 1,000 gallons of water on it. See a water tower on your right here. This is Seagrave plant water tower. That white long brick building, 2 or 3 story there, is the original Seagrave plant. It's interesting story is that back in the day this was actually Marion Township. There was a box of iron in the plant before the Columbus fire. It was founded here on it. I'm going to stop for a minute, put our flashes on, and angle the camera over to show you that Quonset hut was the Seagrave Foundry. So they were on both sides of South High Street. Here's a picture of the coast up the hill here. This is the driveway where the apparatus came out, and a lot of the Seagrave history is down in that courtyard where they took the delivery photos. Alright, up to Greenlawn Avenue where the old headquarters. barn. Successful drive-by of the old Seagrave plant. And it was pretty quick. And the old fireground complex on Green Lawn Avenue. And we'll put her away, check her over, and get started on that light bar.